So it's 6:58. We are setting out with Mr. Matthew, Gide, and Eri, going on a night hike into the hills from Ikere. So we'll keep you posted on hiking. So everybody turn back and say hello to the camera. We've been told that monkeys come to this area, so we want to deploy some of the camera traps so as to get a record when they come out in the morning. So we're clearing the spot here. Here is harvesting the cocoa pods. So we have visitors this morning.
No, you go find farm. You take the cutlass, go find a
farm.
And this one you go use. Go find cutlass, find them. Yeah, what?
Put the seeds on the floor here. So here we are, set to take on Òkè Apó. So we'll keep you posted. Òkè Apó is the hill up there. You can see it. So we'll keep you posted. Take care. So here's the first rest point approaching Òkè Apó. So you can see Òkè Apó behind me. We are going up to that peak. Yeah, there. So we'll keep you posted as we go on. So here is the view. That's where we are going to. We are navigating, so we'll be descending into this valley. From the valley, we'll now go up that side. So we're going to. Here we are at a water source that is said not to dry all year round, and this is July. We'll see what it will look like in December, and we'll keep you updated. So this is the water source for this location, and so you can see the water source. So here we are bushwhacking on the way.
Bushwhacking.
So we're clearing a path so that next hike, when we bring friends along, they'll be able to So let's see how you are clearing the place. Yeah. So after bushwhacking for about 10 minutes, we are now back on an existing trail. As you can see, it's a well-used trail, well maintained. So we are up to Òkè Apó. So here we are looking at the peak we are going to, and here is the view from our rest point. You can see the mountain range, beautiful sight to wake up to. So we plan to come and camp here. Hope you will be joining us to experience the beauty of nature. Sọ orúkọ yín. fi ń ṣe kí ló dé kó fi ń pè ní ọrọ̀ àgbo. So here we are looking at the Yoruba Hills from Ikere, and this is where the Yoruba Hills starts from. So we are going to Òkè Apó is right ahead. We've been doing the hike for the past 45 minutes. So when we get to the top, we'll keep you posted. So we are finally approaching the Òkè Apó peak with the little tuft of vegetation. While we are here, we'll do a brief survey of the flora and fauna here. So that's our host and guide, Mr. Matthew. We thank him for this experience. And I'm told there's a survey block here. So we are approaching the survey beacon. Unfortunately, the beacon has broken over the years. We have loved to see the places and the marking of it, definitely. So here we are descending from Òkè Apó. So we're coming down, and it has been a beautiful experience with Mr. Matthew. So going down. So here we are, breaking camp after an interesting weekend out. And yes, we had a beautiful hike up to the top that you're looking at there. Our host is out in his farm. We camped in his farm. A big thank you to Mr. Matthew. Thanks for joining us for this outing. See you next time.
Ekiti State in southwestern Nigeria offers a unique tourism experience that combines culture, nature, and community. The state's sacred groves, ancient trails, and rolling hills provide a backdrop for hiking, camping, birdwatching, and nature photography. Ekiti's tourism model is community-based, empowering local people as custodians of their heritage and ensuring that tourism benefits local livelihoods, youth empowerment, and environmental stewardship. Visitors can explore cultural treasures like ancient palace structures and settlement mounds, gaining insight into Yoruba cosmology and traditional governance systems. The state's approach to tourism is rooted in authenticity, responsibility, and shared pride, with initiatives like citizen science expeditions and community-led festivals showcasing its commitment to sustainability. Ekiti invites travelers to experience its land deeply, walking sacred paths, listening to stories, and camping beneath ancestral skies. This is not just tourism, but a call to belong, offering a meaningful and sustainable travel experience led by local communities. Ekiti is a living invitation to connect with nature, culture, and purpose.